Highly requested video is my body butter recipe. I shared it on YouTube, shared it on Instagram, and you guys asked me to share it with you guys. I'm sorry it took me so long. I'm actually really sorry. I still get messages about it. It is really, really simple. I've been making my own one for years. It's just like a rite of passage to make your own body butters. I like thick body butters. I'm not into like lotions. I never really have been. My skin likes a nice big body butter. So ingredients for this amazing body butter: shea butter. I mean, there's so many different butters. There's cocoa butter, mango butter, avocado butter, so many different ones that you can play with. Shea butter to me feels like Mother Earth. It feels like home. It feels like that's what I'm supposed to use, and my skin loves it. It's got so many nutrients packed into it. I buy like bulk. I do try and make sure that I get organic, fair trade shea butter from good, reputable sources. You need a plug in Ghana, basically. I'll link some plugs down below. This is about how much I'm gonna use today, but you wanna chop it up because we're gonna melt it, and it should fall apart like that. It's so buttery. So the reason I'm cutting it up is it will melt a lot quicker. And this will obviously depend on what country you're in and how hot it is. So I'm gonna heat up some water in a pot. Then you wanna use a heat-proof bowl to put in your shea butter. It's my grandma's bowl. What's nice about making your own butters is that you can make them for your friends, your family, birthday present ideas. And I also use this with my baby boy on his skin as well. He gets that glow. And we're just gonna wait for it to melt. This doesn't take too long. When you make this, my recommendation is not to cook the shea butter or heat the shea butter for too long, because then it takes a very, very long time to cool down, and you can't whip it properly if it's not cool. So it's okay if there's still some chunks in there. We just wanna get it nice and soft. So don't use a microwave, guys. We're preserving nutrients. Just hot water and a bowl. So I use different oils depending on what I have, what your preferred, your favorite ones are, what your skin requires. There's certain things that I personally love: jojoba oil, extra virgin olive oil, coconut oil. Some people don't like to use it. Also, vitamin E oil is a way to naturally try and preserve your shea butter for a little bit longer. Also, vitamin E oil is what's really taking care of your skin. First, we're gonna go in with a nice big amount of vitamin E oil. I've also got cacao seed oil, and these are all cold pressed and organic. I like castor oil. For some people, this will be too thick. A good amount of coconut oil. You can also add in essential oils. Sometimes I go lavender, sometimes I do orange, sometimes I don't do any, sometimes I do rose. Really depends on your mood. Different essential oils have different relaxing properties to your mind, body, and soul. So this is where you can get really experimental and creative and create your body scent / relaxation zone. You want your mixture to be cloudy. That's how you know it's ready to start whipping it. Also, the more oil that you add into this, the more looser and less thick it's gonna be. But also the whipping definitely helps. You just want to keep whipping it until it gets like double in the size that you started. So with all that whipping, we have got so much air in this that it is just like, I mean, that is, oh. To store it, you want to use an airtight container, anything you have at home. And I use a knife, and I literally beautiful shea butter. for that glow. Moisturization. I don't know if the camera is letting you know how moisturized my arm is right now, but this is my go-to shea butter with your favorite oils that you love for your skin. Whip it up and you have your body butter. I hope you enjoyed this video. I had so many questions about it. This is how I look after my body. I do not put that on my face, it's way too heavy for my face, but my body, especially in summer, the vitamins and the nutrients in shea butter and my skin, best friends. And also you just add whatever oils that you love yourself. It really depends person to person what you love. That is like a base recipe, a fail-safe recipe that I go to, and then I just switch it up, add what I want to add, experiment with different oils depending on what I feels like my skin needs, and that's a really easy, simple body butter. Like I say, it's amazing. You can make it for your friends, make it for your family. If their skin is happy with this, you know, everyone's skin is different. My skin loves it. I'll leave it down below in case you guys want to make something similar at home. It is so cost efficient and you really know what you're putting on your skin every day, especially when you get the oils from your reputable companies where the oils have all the nutrients still in there. They're not rancid, they're perfect, nutrient rich, and they make you glow. They make you glow. I think I'm glowing right now. That's the point of the shea butter. So anyway, I'm gonna sign out. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new videos, new recipes, new everything. Okay, bye.